Hey guys, this is Brian Peart, and I'm the president and owner of Commercial Capital Limited. And I have to share with you today this video. It might be the most important message I've ever shared. It's called What to Do If the Market Crashes. Okay. Now, I'm not a doom and gloomer. I don't want the market to crash. I did great in 2019 before COVID, and businesses were doing good and stocks are doing good. I want everything to get back to normal. But I think you have to understand that I'm also a dad. I'm a father of 6, and I have employees that count on this job to pay their bills. And so that's a responsibility that I take very seriously. So I have to make sure I've got to hope for the best, but I've got to prepare for the worst. And if you're like me and you want to prepare for the worst, you have to look out at this situation we have right now, and anything could happen. Okay. There's political shenanigans. There's COVID is still rising. There's, shoot, even the rest of the world could look at our country, see the division, see the chaos, and say, hey, guess what? I don't want to own U.S. Treasuries anymore. And they can dump U.S. Treasuries. Anything can happen. And if that happens, the student loan market crashes, the home buying market crashes, everything goes down. And I'm not saying any of those things are going to happen. I'm not saying they could happen next month or next year, but at some point there will be a correction and possibly a crash. And if that happens, I have to be ready. Now, the last time we had a crash of the magnitude that I'm talking about was 2008. And so what I want to do is go back to that and see what happened, because history repeats itself, right? So if there is a disruption, what can we do about it? And so back in 08, the commercial mortgage-backed securities market crashed. Banks, when there's uncertainty, banks close up their lending, right? They conserve their assets. They don't lend anymore. In 2009, 10 banks a month were failing, and the rest of them were worried that they were going to fail, and they just weren't lending. My brother is a pretty connected guy, and he started getting calls from people. Hey, where can I put my money? Stocks aren't working, bonds aren't working. He's like, well, we can make a fund and lend it out on commercial real estate at low LTVs. And so we did that, and we launched that fund in 2009. To show you how bad it was in 2009, because many have forgotten, we did a loan for a doctor who had 700 credit scores. He had a successful, thriving business and easily cash flowed the loan. He wanted to buy the building that his business was renting out of, and he had $500,000 in the bank, and that bank would not do his loan on a $600,000 purchase. Think about that. He had $500,000 in the bank, and they still wouldn't loan him on a $600,000 loan, even with 40% down. So you might ask, why did that happen? Because they were scared that 600,000 property was going to go down to 300. They were just scared, and that's what happens. So in came us. We loaned him at 60% on that 600,000. We gave him a 12% interest rate, and he took it, and he was happy he took it. And you might say, why would he pay 12%? This guy is a 4 or 5% bank guy, because the property he was buying just the year before was worth 1.2. And so he was getting it at half price. Now, within a year and a half, the market had come back, and he refinanced us out. I heard in 2019 he refinanced. The property was appraised at $2 million that he had bought for $600. It appraised at $2 million, and he took cash out at $1.2 million. And his payment wasn't much different than what it was on our loan at 12%, because the rate he got was so low. And so it was a great deal for him. And so if a crash happens, the banks will constrict again. They always do. Uncertainty causes them to freak out. And we will be ready this time with our own private money. And now you can be too. We've created an opportunity here where you can become a net branch of our company. That's where you keep your name, your ownership. And you can use our name if you want. We have no rules with that, but you keep your name, your ownership, keep 100% of whatever you have, but you get to leverage what we have, what we're doing. You get to have your own private money. I'm telling you, that's a game changer. If you go into a room and you get asked if you're a broker or lender, and you could say, I'm both. We've got our own private money, but I'm also a correspondent with different banks and life companies. I can do SBA loans, etc. That is a powerful statement. And when I say that, that's what I've been saying since 2009. And when I say that, they go, oh, you've got your own private money? That's the thing they key on. It changes the game for your perception. It changes the game for your business. You can join us as a net branch for only $10,000. It's a one-time fee. You never pay another fee. You never pay a renewal. We're probably going to start renewals next year, but you'll be grandfathered in. And it's a one-time fee. One loan easily pays for that, and then you're off to the races the rest of the time. And the truth is, you need to have your own private money. We've got billions of dollars that are capital through our partners that are ready to lend. That's direct money that they have sitting in the bank, and they are licking their chops waiting for a disruption, because most of them feel that the disruption is going to happen soon too. So there's a link on your page to go to the website to find out more about us. There's some conference calls on there about time management, et cetera, that are helpful. There's testimonials. You can find out about all we offer, because it's more than just having your own private money. You'll also have access to me to help place the loans, hundreds of lenders, volume pricing. It's a whole catter of things you get for this one-time fee. So click on the link. If you have any questions, you can reach my son, Zachary, and his number's on there too. And take advantage of this. You owe it to yourself to at least check it out, because a disruption will happen at some point. Will you be ready? Now you can be. So be careful out there, guys. Take care, and God bless. Have a great day.